progress report, health officials explain what action has been taken against the nurse said to have turned away a pregnant woman from Chapelton Hospital. She later gave birth on a sidewalk. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, collapse. A second Royalton hotel reports a worksite accident.
Security, what the Education Ministry now plans to do about Cumberland High after gunmen reportedly invaded the school campus.
Debate. We assess the people who will face off in the first local government debates come Wednesday.
And in business news, the latest on the state of the Jamaican dollar.
There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary and weather in this edition of Primetime News. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking the first of two debates ahead of the local government election is set for this Wednesday. Do you care about the debates and why?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet @TelevisionJam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.